So when you see Dominique get that pick and run it back, I know the defense has asked about that a lot, but it's got to be a weight. It's got to be a weight off everybody's shoulders just to get that question out of the way.
Yeah, the curse is over. I think we tipped one or dropped one earlier in the game. I was just looking on the sideline. I was like, man, we are cursed. And then that was really exciting when Green made a great play, took it back to the house. Defense did a great job, and it was really a full team effort tonight, and it was just fun to see that. So,
prior to today, you guys only had one non-offensive touchdown. That was TJ's kickoff against Georgia. You got two of them today. It's kind of be huge when the offense is kind of maybe not as sharp as usual, where you guys are able to get a couple of those touchdowns.
Yeah, we weren't as sharp on offense, but we picked it up in other areas. Definitely, you got the defensive touchdown, the special teams touchdown. That's huge for a team, and that's just how we play. We always got each other's back, and everyone else picked it up tonight, so it was a lot of fun.
TJ's touchdown catching your ball, he's a little high, and he was able to extend as far as he possibly could.
He made a great play. I kind of overthrew him a little bit, but he made me right. So he's a great player, and he made a great play.
What about Switzer's touchdown catch? Was that called coming in, or did you see something?
Yeah, we checked it from the sidelines. We had the coverage that we wanted, and O-line did a great job giving me time, and Swiss got behind the defense, and we just made it work. But it was the right call for the right defense, so we just executed it.
What was the focus like in practice this weekend today, knowing this was an out-of-conference game? You still got work to do.
There's really good focus at practice, and definitely it was intense and it was competitive, and we had the week of practice we needed to have to come out here and play well tonight.
Do you think you build on this performance for 6 days from now?
Yeah, definitely. I think we need to look at the film, learn from the mistakes, and go even harder this week because we got a big one against State, another rivalry game. So we're going to want to get after it, and it's the seniors' last home game, so we got to make it count for them.